Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate sales strategies with Squarespace detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate sales strategies with Squarespace, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the home menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Pages to access your site's page settings. Select the page where you want to add your sales content. If you haven't created a dedicated sales page yet, click the plus button to add a new page. Choose a cover page or standard page based on your preference. Now, it's time to add products. Go back to the home menu and click on Commerce. Select Inventory to manage your products. Click Add Product to start listing new items for sale. Fill in the necessary details, including product name, description, price, and images. To enhance visibility, use the SEO settings to add keywords and meta descriptions. Once your products are added, return to your sales page. Now, add a product block to feature your products. Click on the plus icon in the page editor and search for product. Select the product block and choose the products you wish to display. Customize the layout and style to match your brand. To create urgency, consider adding a countdown timer block for sales or special offers. Next, integrate payment options. Go back to Commerce and select Payments. Connect your preferred payment processor, such as PayPal or Stripe. Make sure to review and test the checkout process to ensure smooth transactions. You may also want to set up discount codes to encourage purchases. Go to the Discounts section within Commerce and click Add Discount. Define the parameters for the discount, such as type, value, and duration. Now, let's promote your sales strategies through email marketing. Access the Marketing section in the home menu. Select Email Campaigns and create a new campaign. Craft engaging content that highlights your products, special offers, and discounts. Schedule your emails to reach your audience at optimal times. Finally, monitor your sales performance. Go to the Analytics section in the home menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.